What's up guys, Enrique here. We're out in Rowlett, Texas, kicking off a massive 16-day master bathroom transformation. We took this outdated space down to the bare studs and found hidden water damage. If the client had waited any longer to remodel, this would have been a total disaster. But we aren't just fixing the rod, we are delivering pure luxury, smart toilet, custom lighting, high-end freestanding bathtub. Building a custom bathroom that will never leak takes serious dedication. It means late night on the site, pulling heavy loads to the landfill to keep the client home clean, and stepping back into classroom to master the absolute, and maybe catching a quick break on the water when the job is done. But right now we have a luxury bathroom to build. Day one, start right here. Let me show you exactly what we are upgrading. This old setup had a standard curved shower with just 2 valves, dated cabinets, and a lot of wasted space. We are completely changing this footprint to run a brand new drain and a 3rd valve for a luxury freestanding bathtub, and converting the old space into a seamless curveless shower. It all started with a phone call. The client reached out, told us exactly what she was dreaming of, and we went to work. Our designer helped perfectly match the tile and surface material to the client vision. Once the material were picked, I personally built a 3D rendering of the space. I want the client to see exactly how their new freestanding tub and custom glass will look before we even break a concrete. Before the heavy smashing starts, we keep the job site insulated. Once the wall opens up, the truth comes out. The last guy used a standard green drywall in the wet zone. You can literally see the moisture trapped right behind the tile. If we hadn't caught this now, it would have rotted through the frame. We tore out the old shower pan completely to expose the original plumbing to build our new seamless curveless shower and run the lines for the freestanding tub. All of this concrete has to be bust open and repiped. With the concrete bust open, we drop in the new plumbing, but we don't just bury it and cross our finger. We pressure test the hot line and cold line and make sure the drain has its P-trap and drains properly. Everything was flawless before pouring a single drop of concrete. Next, we form the shower pan. I always put the level right on the mud bed to prove the mat is perfect. You can see the 2 drains, one for the curveless shower and one for the freestanding tub. After the pan cures, the crew wraps the walls in heavy duty hardy backer for a solid foundation. But here's the most important part of the entire build, the Schluter waterproofing system. We seal the floor, the walls with the orange membrane to make the space 100% waterproof. If you guys appreciate seeing how a true luxury bathroom is built from the inside out, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and drop the comment. Let me know what you want to see on the next project. Running the water over the Schluter isn't enough for us. We plug the drain and fill the entire shower pan for a massive 24-hour flood test. We let it sit for a full day and night, not a single drop leak. The foundation is officially waterproof. Now the real transformation begins. With the waterproofing locked in, the crew started flying on the tile. We used a large format tile to give that wall a seamless, high-end luxury look. Every single line has to be perfectly level because this is what the client will see every single day. Remember in the intro when I talk about dedication, this is exactly what it looks like. To keep the massive project on a tight 16-day schedule, our countertop specialist came in after hours. He works late into the night, dropping this gorgeous custom quartz. We don't stop until the job is done. Even right in the middle of the massive spill like this, I still step away to attend industrial master classes. The remodeling industry is always evolving, and I want CJJ Remodeling to be at the absolutely top. That dedication translates directly to the job site, like perfectly installing this custom heavy-duty frameless shower glass door so it floats seamless over the curveless pan. Alright, well let me come and show you the final result of the master bathroom over here in Rowlett. We finally finished. It took us around 17 days non-stop. Full demolition, relocation of plumbing, added new shower valves, waterproofed the entire bathroom with a Schluter waterproofing system, installation of large format tile, installation of freestanding bathtub, frameless glass door. And like I always tell you, it's not about making the shower look pretty, but making sure we got the correct waterproofing system. Over here at CJJ, we focus and we worry about what's behind it, then we make the shower look pretty. Over here we install a smart toilet Custom fit-in cabinets, new quartz, new mirror. We took a bathroom that was rotted from the inside out, tore it down to the concrete, and built a masterpiece. This is what we do at CJJ Remodeling. If you are ready to transform your home, call or text us directly at 469-877-3539 or hit that link in the description.